you're watching News X, and today marks the 8th day of the Mahakumbh that comes to an end, and I will be highlighting the important points of today's. And also, if we talk about Adani Group Chairman Gautam Adani offered prayer and performed Aarti at the Triveni Sangam in Prayagraj during his visit to the Mahakumbh along with his family, and also terming his experience wonderful. The business tycoon thanked the Prime Minister Narendra Modi and also Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister, and also for the management that is being done by both of them and also by the government of Uttar Pradesh. And also today Yogi government mandates the cylinder testing at the Mahakumbh, order strict action against the unauthorized sales. A guideline issued to prevent the accident caused by the LPG leakage. To ensure the safety of the devotees and Kalpavasis during the Mahakumbh, the Food and the Logistic Department held a special meeting on focusing on the LPG safety. The meeting saw participation from department official, LPG distributor, representative of gas companies and the fire department officers. Also during the session, important guidelines were issued to prevent the accident caused by the LPG leakage. Also, key measures in the include making cylinder testing mandatory and imposing strict action on the sale of the unauthorized cylinders. So marks the very important decision took by the Yogi government that the checking of this sale of the cylinders will be mandatory, and also keeping in mind the incident that can happen from the leakage of the cylinders. Today also there were very VIP movements that took place in the Mahakumbh. Kumar Vishwas, also the former president of India, took the holy bath in the Triveni Sangam. So all these things happening, and also if we talk about the every day lakhs of devotees taking the holy bath in the Triveni Sangam, and that will continue tomorrow also. But also we can see a record-breaking numbers of the devotees reaching to the Mahakumbh to be the part of the this time Mahakumbh. I am Arzu Seth with video journalist Himanshu Negi for News X in Prayagraj.
For more such videos, subscribe to the News X YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.